First drop, there we go, big whiting. Fish on.
Quick bang, then.
On again.
You're on again?
No, sorry.
Another. Good size. Oh, my soft plastic's getting a touch. He's on. What is it? Oh, King George.
King George, beautiful.
That's good size. Alright, dropping it down. See how we go. Got something. Big whiting.
Hey.
Finally.
We're on the board.
With Morning Fresh. Big crowd. And they're using that late-night storm techniques. New AI. Yeah.
Is that? Butterfish, I think. Oh, it's a big King George whiting.
Hey.
You won? Oh, you got a King George.
I'm sorry, mate.
There you go. Oh, shit. Hold up, it's caught in the thing. There you go. Hold up.
Maybe get one eventually.
Yeah. Yeah. What is this? Whiting. That's a whiting, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, got a fish. You on? Oh, hey, whiting. Nice. Ready? There, what's that? Yeah. Butterfish. Yeah.
It's got to be
Wait.
happy to attach it and attach it further down in a couple of spots.
Yeah.
So it sits around.
Three. There we go. Straight up.
Straight in.
Oh, that is 2 King George.
Hey.
Holy shit.
Not going nowhere, buddy.
Yeah, this doesn't feel like a butterfish, sort of. Yeah, it is. Butter. King George whiting? Or big king wrasse? Hey. Come on. I'm on something alright. Might just be a big, really big wrasse sort of thing. Oh, big wrasse.
Yeah.
Oh, you're on alright. Oh, it's coming up now. Wrasse.
You really feel everything.
There you go. Wait. You're on.
Looking back, it's so blue.
Still on.
The world without you. Without I've got things to do. 'Cause I finding it hard to breathe up here when no one can see. Think I should, 'cause I'm not leaving anytime soon.